Prep 2. Today we will solve November revision sheet on algebra and geometry. Let's start our revision. Choose the correct answer. The conjugate number of the number 1 over root 3 minus root 7 is what? First, multiply this fraction by root 3 plus root 2 over root 3 plus root 2. So result will be root 3 plus root 2. What's the conjugate number of root 3 plus root 2? Excellent. Root 3 minus root 2. The dimension of cuboid is root 2 and root 3 and root 6 centimeter. Then what's the volume of this cuboid? Volume of cuboid equal length times width times height. So root 2 times root 3 multiplied by root 6 equal 6. The solution set of the inequality negative x greater than or equal negative 1 and less than 1 in R is what? First, divide these three sides by negative 1 and change the symbol. So it will be x greater than negative 1 and less than or equal 1. So the solution set will be open negative 1 and closed 1. Complete. If negative 3 and 2 satisfy the relation 5x minus ky equals 7, then k equal what? K. We will substitute by negative 3 and 2 in this equation. So it will be 5 times negative 3 minus 2k equal 7. And we will solve it. We get k equal negative 11. Number 2. If the straight line passing through the 2 point 3 and 4 and 2y is parallel to x-axis. Any line parallel to x-axis, its slope equals 0. So y minus 4 over 2 minus 3 will be equal 0. So y minus 4 equal 0. So the value of y equal 4. Cube root 3 multiplied by cube root 9 equal cube root 27, and cube root of 27 equal 3. Square root of what equal 3? Excellent. Square root of 9. Find the lateral area of a right circular cylinder of volume 924 cubic centimeter if its height equals 6 centimeter. First, the volume of cylinder equal by r square h, and the volume here 924 equal 22 over 7 times r squared times height 6. So r power 2 equal 924 divide open bracket 22 over 7 times 6. So r power 2 equal 49. Taking square root, then r equals 7 centimeter. Okay, we want the lateral area. Lateral area of cylinder equal 2 by RH equal 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 times r 7 times h 6 equal 264 square centimeter. If x equal root 7 plus root 5 and y equal 2 over x, prove that x and y conjugate. Since x equal root 7 plus root 5 and y equal 2 over x equal 2 over root 7 plus root 5, multiplies this fraction by root 7 minus root 5 over root 7 minus root 5. Okay, 2 times open bracket root 7 minus root 5. What about the down? The down here is the product of two conjugate equals square the first minus square the second equal 7 minus 5. Of course 7 minus 5 equal what? Equal 2. So when we simplify it, we get root 7 minus root 5. Compare x and y. X is root 7 plus root 5, but y equal root 7 minus root 5. So x and y are conjugate. Okay, find the value of x power 2 plus xy plus y power 2. Okay, it's mean x plus y. All of power 2 minus xy. X plus y, it is the sum of two conjugate numbers. Okay, it equal twice the first. It is twice root 7, all of power 2, minus xy means the product of two conjugate equal square the first minus square the second. Square the first is 7 minus square the second is 5. Okay, and 2 root 7 all of power 2, it means 4 multiplied by 7 minus 7 minus 5 equal what? Equal 2. So it will be 4 times 7 minus 2 equal 28 minus 2 equal 26. Okay. In triangle ABC, measure of angle A equal 50 degree, measure of angle B equals 60 degree. Then the longest side, of course, is opposite to the greatest angle. Okay, here we have angle A and angle B. Let's calculate angle C. Angle C equal 180 minus 50 plus 60, which equal 70. So angle C is the greatest angle, while opposite to the longest side is AB. The number of axes of symmetry of isosceles triangle equal, of course, 1. In triangle ABC, if measure B greater than measure C, angle B is opposite to the longest side AC, and angle C is opposite to side AB. So AC will be greater than AB. Question 2. Complete. If triangle ABC has one axis of symmetry, that means it's isosceles, and measure of angle ABC equal 120. What about measure of angle A? Okay, first 180 minus 120 equal 60. Divide 60 by 2 because the triangle is isosceles. So measure of angle A will be 30 degree. In triangle ABC, AB equals 7, BC equals 5 centimeter, and AC equals 6 centimeter. Then the smallest angle in measure, of course, is opposite to the shortest side. What is the shortest side here? The shortest side here, excellent, is BC. Okay, what is the opposite angle of BC? Excellent, angle A. Number 3, XYZ is a triangle. Measure X equal 60 degree, measure Y equal 80 degree. Then XZ what? ZY. XZ is opposite to angle Y, and ZY is opposite to angle X. So here we have measure angle Y greater than measure of angle X. So XZ is greater than ZY. In the opposite figure, line segment AB intersect line segment CD at point M, and AC is perpendicular to CD, BD is perpendicular to CD, proves that AB greater than CD. Okay. In triangle ACM, measure of angle C equal 90 degree. So the hypotenuse AM greater than MC. That's number 1. In triangle MDB, measure of angle D equal 90 degree. So the hypotenuse MB is greater than MD. That's number 2. By adding 1 and 2, we get AM plus MB greater than CM plus MD. Okay, that means AB is greater than CD. Question number 4, in the opposite figure, ABCD is quadrilateral. Okay, AB 5, BC equal 4, DC equal 6, and AD equal 7. Prove that measure of angle ABC greater than measure of angle ADC. Okay, construction here will draw BD, line segment BD. So in triangle ABD, AD equals 7 and AB equals 5 centimeters. So AD is greater than AB. So measure of angle ABD is greater than measure of angle ADB. That's number 1. What about the triangle DCB? CD equal 6 centimeters and BC equal 4 centimeters. So DC greater than BC. So measure of angle DBC greater than measure of angle BDC. That's number 2. By adding 1 and 2, we get measure of angle ABD plus measure of angle DBC greater than measure of angle ADB plus measure of angle BDC. That means measure of angle ABC is greater than measure of angle ADC.